Fat cat.
S-S-I-C.
I'm I'm fat. These motherfuckers hating my attack. Polo, these hoes not behaving. Oh no, you know. Move all about that dough. Walking up the street, looking at those boobs. They looking back, I'm looking back. I'm running back, trying to get the number like a quarterback. You know, trying to be in the Hall of Fame of motherfucking flows. And I get the hoes, a whole selection of my whole collection. These hoes love me to death. They getting in a cage, they getting in depth. Interviews in the nude, fucking these bitches, who are you? I keep it 22, thug life like Tupac. I'm amazing, I do pack, I'm covered Grayson. A motherfucking thug. It's amazing how we leave these fairy tales. Like Eminem, I'm Flash Hill. Yeah, you know, all about that dough. Mooka Valley, I am ready. Y'all want war? I'm ready for combat. Rat-a-tat-tat. On my left and on my side, I got my killers. Murder Mook. I thrill. I thrill. I kill. I steal. The thriller in Manila. Your motherfuckers ain't seen Rilla. Gorilla. I be spitting these bars non-stop. I'm very strong, so they on my cock. I am solid, I am not a cop. No wires, spitting these bars and I'm on fire. Like the cheerleader. I got a bunch of bitches, groupies, reporting to the orgy. I'm a big boss, B-O-S-S, and you know I don't be asset, S-S-I-C. You wanna get a classic, come holla at me. I be spitting these bars infinitely, I'm infinite, and I'm like the original sin, Angelina Jolie on the robbery, Ain't